Welcome back to AudioTrends TV. Today we've got the brand new Denon Home 350. It's the largest speaker in the home lineup. We're going to open it up in this video and you'll find out exactly what comes inside the box. Let's get straight into it. This is the good stuff. Seriously, just take a look at that. Oh. As you can probably tell, you don't get very much at all in the box. You get the speaker itself, you get a power cable, you get a Denon quick start guide, and this is an interesting one, you get a small black screw. Now I worked out that the screw is for screwing into the bottom of the speaker for if you're wanting to mount it to a wall. So that's going to be all for the unboxing. If you'd like to see an overview and a sound test of the Home 350, click the link at the end of this video. And if you'd also like to see a sound comparison between this and the smaller Denon Home 150, click the other link at the end of the video. Now, thank you so much for watching AudioTrends TV. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon.